Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can make money off Shopify. Now there's two methods of making money off Shopify. One is doing drop shipping and the other is doing affiliate marketing. And obviously there's a combination of both of them that you could do. And obviously there's methodologies that you can implement and actually make profit off both of them as well, which we're going to look at in today's video. So if you like the video and you're looking for something to understand and to make money off affiliate marketing, then this is definitely the video for you. Now, before we get into the video, one of the major things I like to clarify before we start the video is the Shopify itself. If you don't have an account, guys, you can make an account by clicking in the description below on the link and getting Shopify for 90 days. The global commerce platform where you can build the business online. You can sell online, offline, everywhere in between. And one of the major things that I personally believe is very important for people to understand the dynamics of the whole situation is the fact that there are millions of entrepreneurs right now on Shopify that are selling amazing products and they have successful business models available. And how you can actually make use of this business model is quite simple and straightforward. Because you have so many people on Shopify right now that are selling products, you can easily find the dynamics and the strategies that are helping individuals create a successful business. And you can learn from their mistakes and learn what works for them. And all you need to do is implement them onto your store. And obviously with Shopify, you don't need a lot of expertise to start creating landing pages because there's no coding expertise that are required. You can select from customizable templates created by a community of world-class designers, and you can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. Now, one of the things, guys, I want to share with you is as you scroll down, you'll see all these elements of flexible point of sales to power your retail store, how to reach new leads and engage with customers, and streamlining your back office by overseeing operations and fulfilling your orders and managing your money where you make it. And obviously all these elements are true and are unique in itself with Shopify, but the one thing that it really makes it stand out is this element over here. As you scroll right to the end, you'll see the affiliates, and as you click on it, you'll be able to go to the next page where you can create new entrepreneurs and earn more than just commission and grow the brand with Shopify with access to exclusive opportunities and earn a commission through the referral program. So what does that mean? That literally means that if you're talking about and helping people get onto Shopify, you can make a lot of money. And obviously there's a lot of individuals right now in the industry whose main purpose is to help individuals start becoming affiliates and starting their Shopify accounts on Shopify, and they can make a lot of money doing that. And all you need to do is click on start earning, and as you do that, you'll be taken to the next page where you can start the affiliate program and get on this bandwagon, because this is the major methodology and implication of how you can make money. Because at the same time, if you think about it, if you have all your eggs in one basket, you're not going to be able to make a lot of money. But if you're selling on Shopify, you're an affiliate marketer on Shopify, you have affiliate marketing in Shopify, then these three elements can make you a lot of money. To become an affiliate marketer on Shopify, you need to put your full name, your email, you have to confirm your email, your username, your password, you have to have your company's information, which is crucial. This is not for an individual. This is not for someone who is just doing it themselves. This is for someone that understands the models, understands the methodologies, and understands the items that are here. Then you can actually have payouts that are available that are $150, and you can increase them as well, and you can actually have a whole development of the elements that are available. But please, guys, please make sure that you go through and understand, acknowledge, and accept the foregoing terms and agree to bound by them, because this is very important and very crucial to understand all these dynamics. And once you have done it and once you've developed it, then you become a partner with Shopify. And whenever you get anyone on Shopify to sell on Shopify, you're gonna make money off that. Now, that is one methodology. The other methodology is starting a Shopify account, which we spoke about as well. And all you need to do is click on this link over here given in the description below and get Shopify for 90 days, or click on the top right hand side corner and start your free trial. And after you create a Shopify account, all you need to do is head over to AliExpress and find the right product. So for example, if you search for phone cases, we're going to get a lot of options on phone cases. Now, one of the things that you need to keep in mind is that you have to select a particular product that is selling a lot. So we're going to change the element from orders and going to see which of these products are being sold. For example, this product has been sold 70,805 times for $3.55, and this product has been sold 61,000 times for $1.68. This has been sold 55,000 times for $1.74. And as you scroll down, you can clearly see the amount that have been sold of these products for $1. For example, this product has been sold 37,488 times at $1. They've made $37,488 $288 just off one product. Imagine if you have 2 or 3 products you're selling, you can easily make $100,000 in a couple of months. That is truly amazing in today's time and period, but you need to understand how you need to do this. And this is exactly what I'm showing you. So you're making money off Shopify, you're making money off becoming a Shopify affiliate marketer. And the third way you're going to make money is you head over to YouTube and search for phone cases. Now you might be thinking why we're doing that. I'm going to tell you in a second why this is one of the most important elements in this strategy that you need to implement, because as you scroll down, you're going to see all these individuals that are talking about phone cases. They're telling their actual audience about phone cases. For example, if you look at over here, how to start your own phone case business, and this individual has 23,000 views. We're going to click over here and go to their channel and check out how many subscribers they have. They have 781 subscribers with 23,000 views. So we're going to head over to their channel itself and go to the About It section of the channel and see that they have 58,245 views. Now, if you email them and actually speak to them and actually make a contract, a business development element with them, you can start sending those products and those links to these individuals, and they can start talking about your Shopify store and the product that's available on your Shopify store. And whenever someone buys that product from their shop, you can make money off it from your Shopify, and you can always share the profit. So you've made money through Shopify, you made money through selling products on Shopify, and you've made money through the affiliate program as well. And when you combine all of these elements together, then you truly have something which is unique, something that can stand the actual test of time. And that is the beauty of living in today's time and age, where you can understand the different dynamics that are available, dynamics that can change the financial circumstances that you're in and give you the financial freedom that you always wanted, and give you the breakaway from the 9-to-5 rat race that's always triggering you to move forward and look at different elements. Guys, you got to get out of that comfort zone. You got to understand that there's so much out there in the world right now, and we're living in the 21st century where we have a lot of opportunities around us. You can become affiliate marketers, you can sell items on Shopify, you can start a Shopify store, you can search for different products on AliExpress, and it could be anything. And one of the major things which I always mention to anyone that's watching our videos, to make sure that you have a diverse portfolio. Don't stick with one product, have multiple products, because if one product is not selling, the other is definitely going to sell. If the other is not selling, the third one is going to sell. And just imagine if all of them are selling, then definitely you're going to be making a lot of money in one single month. And especially with Christmas just around the corner, this is truly the opportunity of a lifetime, and you can really make a lot of money and harness these elements and use these strategies and execute these strategies and implement these strategies into a successful business which is scalable at the same time, and get the financial freedom that you always wanted. If you like our videos, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. If you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below and get your account right now. And if you haven't shared this video with your friends and family, share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out about what affiliate marketing is and how to become an affiliate marketer on Shopify and how to harness this strategy to successfully execute it. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.